So hey guys, on Renegade Thrifter, I'm going to have part 2 of the Class C 1996 Class C RV my wife and I purchased about 2 months ago. This is going to be part 2 of the floor replacement in the living area. And if you watched the first video, I give you an idea of what we were going to do. We have found some nice laminate flooring that we decided to put down. And the reason for that is we do have a small kid, and we have some 3 dogs. And we figured it'd be the best thing for us. We removed the old carpet that was installed originally, and that took a little bit of muscle work because we had to remove the seat belt harness and the actual mounting bolt support that it had, and it was a little bit more work than we expected. But I'll show you the finished results here. If you want to see what it looked like before, you can look at video number 1. But this is an idea. We had this old carpet right here next to where my puppy Tucker here is sleeping. About a 2-year-old puppy, but it was really ugly looking green color, and it was really faded, and so we replaced it with this really nice laminate flooring here, as you can see, and it looks like real wood, but a lot easy to clean up. To replace if we ever need to replace it or change that, we want to change our mind, put a different color down. We also installed this nice little tray table here from IKEA. And we get this at a bargain price. It's actually a store called Bargain Hunt, and they have them here in the south. There's probably somewhere around 25-30 of them. They're popping up all over the place. Great savings. A nice little mount. Now, even though this is a good table from IKEA, the way it was installed, the support was still a little bit weak, so we went to get some plastic L brackets here and installed one here, another one here. It's nice and solid. Now, another thing that we found, we're going to be doing this here in the near future, and if you want to watch the finished video, I'll be posting it as well. But we found these nice laminate type tiles at Home Depot, and these were on sale. There was a box of 10 that we got for $6, and we picked up 4 boxes of these because we figured we could probably use some extra. But if you see here, it mounts on the wall pretty well. This is the old wall cover, and it was just a plain white. We figured this would match the updated floor and the style that we want to put into the RV. Now, one thing I noticed, I did place it on here about 10 minutes ago. I walked around before I did the video, and it had fallen off the wall. So we may have to put some kind of adhesive for this to fit on here. We're also going to cut some areas to where there's some wall outlets. But we figured 1 box, maybe just a little bit over a box, should be plenty for doing just this wall right here. Now, one of the other finishing touches that my wife did, she went ahead and applied this really nice wallpaper here. And it is a nice teal color. And she was able to put it up on the wall fairly quick. Now, if you love to make some changes to your RV, if you decide to buy one and decide what you want to do, there's plenty of choices. We're also looking to replace the seat covers here, and I apologize for the clean laundry here in the basket. But we're looking to replace those seat covers with this material right here that we have purchased as well. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me some likes, some comments. Be sure to subscribe so you catch my next video. And I'm also going to be posting some more videos of items that we found to sell on eBay. And be sure to catch those as well. So I'll see you guys next time. I'll see you on the next video.